Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. So you know what? Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. You can do that using your email address and password on Kraken's website. And once you're logged into your account, just navigate to the withdraw page. So navigate to the withdrawal page by simply clicking on the withdrawal tab. And once you see the withdrawal, click on that and it's going to take you to the withdrawal page. And there you can select Bitcoin as the withdrawal currency from the drop down menu. And then you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to withdraw. And once that's done, just enter the Bitcoin wallet address that you want to withdraw your Bitcoins to. Once you've entered that, confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the withdrawal button and just wait for the withdrawal to be processed by Kraken, and you're gonna receive your alert. That's pretty much it on how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the